is Kara Market Isheri Olofin.
I dey kill cow. So if I kill am finish for inside, I go carry am come outside. People dey buy am. The person wey go buy hand, lab, intestine, leg.
Some cow 1.5, 1 million, 500, 600, different all of them are type.
Then they use the bone do calcium. Then they use bone do like a food fish. Like plastic, button, that full of air. No, meat they ship for here now. This place na depot.